Printing on Canva is easy and fun to do. Yes, you heard me right. There are 2 ways of printing your designs on Canva. Now, we provide a detailed guide on how to print on Canva. So let's go. First method. Go to your design on Canva and tap on the download option. Then, tap on the file type drop-down box and select the PDF print option. Tap on the crop marks and bleed to avoid missing design elements. Click the download option. Open your download file and click on the print icon. Customize your print output. Select scale 100, or you can up and down the print scale to adjust the size that you want. Now, tap on the print option to print. And yes, you successfully print it. Before jump into the second method, don't forget to check out our blog post, where we provide more details guide about it. Check in the description box. In this method, you can order a print on Canva and Canva will send the physical copy to your address. Of course, you have to pay for these services. Now, let's go to know how you can do that. Go to your design on Canva and tap on the 3-dot icon. Scroll down and you will find the print option. Select your print format. Follow the procedures provided by Canva to check the design's quality. Make sure you download PDF proof for preview. Select what size and how many copies you want. Now, tap on the Continue. Now, provide your shipping details and click Continue. Select payment method, tap on Place Order, and pay for it. That's it. Now, Canva will send it to your address. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.